What's that?
Record a message for your children back home.
What is it?
I'm recording a movie. See, it's snowing
Oh.
outside, you guys. So
I don't have to do anything but sit here.
you don't have to do anything but sit there. Well, here, say something.
What's that?
Say something.
Oh, that's what I thought. I didn't have to do anything but sit there.
Well,
I'm sitting here doing my crossword puzzle from here, and I can't get anything done on it. It's real hard.
and how's your trip been so far?
My trip has been delicious and delightful. It's snowing and a blizzard, and it's just so good to see. And I feel sorry for all of you poor fools back there. And we're having a good time.
How's your food?
Pardon me?
How's your food been?
My food has been delicious. I've been eating whatever I want, whenever I want, stealing from the icebox, and I'm just lying.
And why don't you tell them about your experience the other night
What was that?
when you ended up in bed with Diane?
Oh, I thought somebody got in the house because there was, what was it, a light that came on, or
It's the motion detector
the
lights.
motion detector light, and I thought somebody was here, and I just laid there for about 10 minutes, and then I snuck out and I went upstairs, and Diane was awake, and she said that was the motion detector, and there was a lot of breeze and everything outside, so I went to sleep again.
Well, you didn't go to sleep. You got in bed with Diane.
Well, I only laid there a couple minutes, and then I said it was all right, and I came downstairs again.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, say bye.
Adios. See you when I see you. I don't know, I might stay here forever.
There you go. The dog will like it.
What's that?
The dog will like it.
Yeah. No, I don't think she would.
Okay.
All righty, goodbye. See you later.